Never had a Christmas that I've loved. My friends all get just what they want, but that's not me. And every Christmas it's the same. I get piles of junk and I'm full of envy, but all my friends are like iPhone, Xbox, $100 gift cards, new boots, jewelry, horses like a princess, MacBook Air. They're living in my wildest dreams, 'cause I'm just like toothbrush, sweater, dozen pack of undies, napkins, Jello, my name on a keychain, I don't care. Can't you see this isn't fair? My mom gave me a textbook. What was going through her head? School supplies just ain't for me. What's wrong with my family? My dad gave me a ruler. Tell me he's kidding. That's just not cool. Another Christmas memory. My friends have seemed to crack the code that leads to dollars by the stacks in December. But everyone who knows me knows that I can't re-gift, and this isn't funny. But all my friends are like new Beats, Kindle, 70-inch flat screens, Lexus, Ray-Bans, anything you want, dear, we don't care. Can't you see this isn't fair? 'Cause I'm just like fruitcake, use pins, braces on the top for free hugs, smoke cards, Easy Mac with no cheese, Obamacare. Can't you see this isn't fair? My mom gave me a